Have you ever wanted to create those professional influencer ads you see all over TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, but then realized hiring a creator, filming the video, editing everything, and paying for revisions could cost hundreds, even thousands of dollars? Well, what if I told you there is an AI tool that can create realistic UCG style videos in just few minutes? Yes. And here is the surprising part. Most people watching the final video probably wouldn't even realize it was AI created. Guys, today I'm going to put that claim to the test. We are going to create an AI influencer from scratch, make it speak naturally, generate an actual advertisement, test several of these platform features, and at the end of this video I'll show you the final results so you can decide for yourself if it's worth using. Guys, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Susanna, and on this channel I share AI tools, online income ideas, and practical tutorials that can help creators, freelancers, and businesses work smarter. I'm genuinely excited to introduce you to UGCvideo.ai, a platform that focuses on something many AI videos tools still struggle with, and that is creating videos that feels natural instead of looking obviously AI generated. Whether you're running an online store, promoting an app, creating social media ads, or simply looking for a faster way to produce content, this tool has interesting features that are worth exploring. I'll show you everything step by step, so by the end of this video you'll know exactly how it works. Let's jump straight into the screen recording. The first thing you will notice after signing in, the link is in the description of this video, so tap in there. It will take you to UGCvideo.ai. As you can see, the dashboard is clean and very easy to navigate. Instead of feeling overwhelmed with dozens of confusing options, everything is organized into different tools depending on the type of video you want to create. Today we are going to test several of these features together and see what kind of results we can get. Let's get started with creating our AI character first. Once you click the link in my description, it's going to take you here. So to create an AI avatar or your AI influencer, just tap on this place here, tap on create character, then you tap on, they have different options here to start from an image, build your character, influencer generator, but I'm using this particular one that says describe your character. So I've already gotten my prompts. So once you tap on describe your character, is going to take you to this interface now. So they have different styles you can choose from here, but I'm going for this style that says photo realistic. Okay, then you paste in your prompt. You can use ChatGPT or Claude AI, any AI, to get your prompt, describe what you want your influencer to look like. Okay, then you scroll up. These are the models. You can choose from any of the models. Then for the variations, how many outputs do you want? You can actually choose your outputs. Okay, so this is, they are just using 10 credits to generate one influencer, so that is actually very fair and very okay. So once you're done with all your settings, you click on generate, and as you can see, the generation task has been submitted. So we have to just wait for a few seconds for our AI influencer model to be ready. So as you can see, our image is ready. Our image has been created. So all you have to do now is to click on this download if you want to save it on your phone. Then you can click on this using. The first option there is recreate. If you want to change the color of the outfit or to make some necessary changes, then this is where you can do that. Okay, so we are going to head over to use this image now to create our ad video. So to turn your image or your influencer into an ad video, all you have to do is to scroll down and you see this last option here that says UGC ad video. Tap on it. Okay, so once you tap on it, it's going to bring you to this interface that says create UGC video. Then you can upload an image or a reference image that you want to, of the product you want to advertise. You can get the link and paste it here. Then I'll click on assets because I've already uploaded the video, the image before. So I'll click on assets. Then the image of the blender has already come up. Then the influencer, you have to select your influencer. So I'll select from library. I've already sorry You can select from library to use any of the already created characters from professionals, but I don't want to use that, so I will add my influencer. Okay, so these are some of the influencers I have created with them. So I'll tap on it. See the way the influencers are looking so realistic. So you click on here, you can get the prompts and influencer video prompts from either ChatGPT or Claude AI or any other AI you're using. Then yeah, you set your aspect ratio to 9:16 depending on the platform you're using it for. Then you're gonna scroll up, and for the sound you click on this. You can either add your own sound or you create sound or any of the options you want to use. So I'll click on add sounds, and there's a library of so many sounds that are here in different languages. Okay, so you can actually try as many sound as you like. Okay, so I'm okay with this Kimba K. Okay, so I will tap on that. Then as you can see, a video is just 20 credits, which is actually very amazing. So we have put everything in place. So let us click on generate, and in just few minutes our video is going to be ready. In just few minutes, so let's just give it a go. So as you can see, they said the generation task has been submitted. So it's now preparing our video for us. So let's just give it a few minutes and I will show you what the end results look like. Alright guys, so as you can see, our video is done generating. So let me tap on it and show you how it looks.
Okay, if you don't have this Ninja air fryer yet, what are you even doing? I just pop these wings in, tap start, and let it do its magic. Look at this! Perfect, crispy, golden wings with zero extra oil. It air fries, roasts, dehydrates. It's literally a total game changer for lazy dinners. Seriously, guys, you need to upgrade your kitchen right now.
Wow, so as you can see, it came out so realistic. And take a look at this. You can actually recreate this. Okay, you can actually replace the product, replace the influencer, the video, the voice. You can actually regenerate everything, okay, and work on your video to come out as perfectly as you would like it to be. So I also tried the UGC video and it gave me this result.
This thing is a total game changer.
So this is not the only options they have on the site. You can also generate images. You can also create talking videos, motion sync, and a lot more. Overall, I think UGCvideo.ai is especially useful for marketers, e-commerce businesses, agencies, app developers, and content creators who need high-quality ad videos quickly. If you think like to try it yourself, you'll find my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. New users get 30 credits when they sign up, and after starting their first generation, they receive another 30 credits. Thanks so much for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Do like this video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.